What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I'm gonna give you guys some insight on how to get your car fixed once your warranty is up. But before I give y'all this tip, man, I'm gonna tell you what happened to me. When I had my Chrysler 300, I bought a brand new 2012 Chrysler 300. And look at this fool, ain't he using his turn signal? It was cool for the first couple years. I ain't had no problems. Then all of a sudden I started having problems with my airbag. I took it to the dealership, I think at least 2 or 3 times. And the first couple times they couldn't find what was wrong with it. My airbag light kept coming on, telling me that my airbags wouldn't deploy if I got into an accident. So I took it back to the dealership like the 3rd or 4th time. And they kept my car for like 2 weeks. When I got it back, they said, all right, it's fixed. They replaced something in the seats. I shouldn't have any more problems with my airbag. Like 2 days later, I had the same exact problem again. So y'all already know I was pissed. But think about this. They had my car for 2 weeks. And the second day I got it back, I had the same problem again. So I ended up calling the dealership back. And by this time, now this was spread out over a couple years. So when I got it back, the warranty was almost up. I think I had like maybe a few hundred miles before the 36,000 miles 3-year warranty was up. It was done. When I took it back to the dealership, Dodge would not fix my car. They told me it was out of warranty and there was nothing they can do. Now, y'all already know I was super pissed. So what I end up doing is I called Chrysler, and I'm gonna leave the number right here at the bottom of the screen. Call Chrysler. They assigned me a case manager. Even though my car was out of warranty, they made sure that the dealership fixed my airbag problem, and I didn't have to pay a dime. When I called a dealer and told them I contacted Chrysler, they were adamant about there's nothing that they can do. So my case manager ended up contacting the dealership, and they asked me what dealership I wanted to take my car to. I told them I did not want to take it back to that dealership because they the ones that couldn't find the real problem that I had with my car. So I ended up taking it to a different dealership. Now I don't want to put the first dealership on blast because I don't want to do that. You just never know. I might have to build a partnership or something with them. And plus, this was years ago. What, 5 years ago? 5, 6 years ago. So they're under complete different management now. So it's a whole different crew in there, in the service department and for our sales and everything. So it's no point in me trying to bash the dealership. So anyway, basically what I'm trying to tell y'all, even though your car might not be under warranty, if it's a previous problem that you had while your car was under warranty and they supposedly fixed it, you can call this number and they will get your car fixed for free. But now I'm not gonna sit here and say it's a guarantee they're gonna fix your car because I can't say that. But I'm telling you what worked for me. Even though I ended up trading the car in and getting my RT, that's how I was able to get my car fixed when it was out of warranty. So if you're having some issues with your car right now and the dealership won't fix it, even if it's out of warranty, even if your car is under warranty and they give you some problems, like they taking their time, they dragging their feet, if you call this number and contact Chrysler, they're gonna give you a case manager, and the case manager will guarantee your car get fixed. And they even ask you what dealership you wanna go to. And again, I'm gonna leave the number to Chrysler. And then you're calling FCA. You're not calling some bootleg warranty person. You calling Chrysler, and they're gonna give you a case manager. No turn on red, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. God damn it. And they're gonna assign you a case manager that's gonna make sure that your car gets fixed. That's a dangerous little spot right here, bro. I wanted to do this video a long time ago, and I think I did a video similar to this a while back. But I've been wanting to do this video because, like, again, I'm always on the Dodge forums, and I've been seeing people commenting saying they having problems, you know, getting their car fixed through Dodge under warranty. Dealerships not honoring their warranties. But I'm telling you, if you call this number, they will make sure you get your car fixed. And they will make sure you get a rental car, and they make sure it gets done in a timely fashion. Because when they had my car for 2 weeks, bro, I was pissed, I'm telling you. And when I picked the car up, it was dirty. So I went off. I called the case manager. She made them detail my car. She made sure they fixed it, and I had to pay a dime out of my pocket. And I had a rental car. So if your car is under warranty, you end up going to the dealership for something, and they hem and hawing. If you call this number, they're gonna call the dealership, and they're gonna make sure they get your car fixed. They don't play no games. And a lot of people don't know this. So that's why I'm putting y'all on game, man. So even if you got a 2020 and you have a problem with it and the dealership hemming and hawing, you need to call this number, bro. Call this number, and they'll get you straight. Oh, that's what this video is about. I hope everybody's staying safe, man. It's hard to do any mods or anything right now because everywhere is closed. I wanted to go and get my lights done today. They closed. So doing my best, guys, to bring you some content. Hopefully tomorrow, I'm thinking about getting some tire stickers put on my car. Not sure yet. I'm gonna get it done and see how I look. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.